precipitation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny, with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, at 9 a.m. in Springfield, it was 51 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms. Scattered showers, mainly in the evening. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, partly sunny. Much cooler with highs around 60. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The Springfield, Missouri climate summary for yesterday, March 11th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature of 67 degrees occurred at 3:37 p.m. Yesterday's low temperature of 36 degrees occurred at 5:58 a.m. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 1.51 inches. This is 0.34 inches above the normal amount of 1.17 inches for March. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 4.93 inches, which is 1.18 inches below normal. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 22 miles an hour from the southwest. The highest wind gust observed was 30 miles per hour from the south, which occurred at 11:24 a.m. Yesterday's maximum relative humidity was 73%. The normal high temperature for today is 58 degrees, and the normal low is 35. The record high for today is 81, which occurred in 2006, and the record low is -3, which occurred in 1948. Sunrise today is at 7:28 a.m. and sunset is at 7:19 p.m. The current time is 9:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: limited hail risk, limited thunderstorm wind damage risk, limited lightning risk, limited non-thunderstorm wind risk, elevated fire weather risk. Discussion: gusty winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour will occur today west of Highway 65. East of Highway 65, gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour will occur at times. A drier air mass will also remain in place across the eastern Missouri Ozarks, where elevated fire weather conditions will again occur. Scattered storms are expected to develop across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and far western Missouri late this afternoon, then move east across the area this evening. A few strong to severe storms with hail up to quarters will be possible, with the strongest storms west of Highway 65. Localized damaging wind gusts could also occur with a few of the storms. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Additional showers and thunderstorms will again be possible late Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. A few strong to severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail the main risk. Locally heavy rainfall will also occur and could lead to a localized flooding risk, mainly across far southern Missouri Thursday evening and night. The highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be Thursday evening into the overnight hours. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was out at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 54. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, at 9 a.m. in Springfield, it was 51 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms. Scattered showers, mainly in the evening. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, partly sunny. Much cooler with highs around 60. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL 46 Springfield, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from the KWFC FM tower located near Fordland, Missouri, on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. WXL 46 provides the people of Southwest Missouri with the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings from the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. If you have problems with reception of this broadcast, please contact the radio manufacturer or call us at 417-863-8028. If you have questions or comments concerning this broadcast, please contact the National Weather Service email at contact.sgf@noaa.gov or write to the National Weather Service, 5805 West Highway EE, Springfield, Missouri, 65802. For even more weather information from your National Weather Service, check out the following internet websites: www.weather.gov/SGF. The current time is 9:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri, Ozarks, and extreme southeast Kansas. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected: limited hail risk, limited thunderstorm wind damage risk, limited lightning risk, limited non-thunderstorm wind risk, elevated fire weather risk. Discussion: gusty winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour will occur today west of Highway 65. East of Highway 65, gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour will occur at times. A drier air mass will also remain in place across the eastern Missouri Ozarks, where elevated fire weather conditions will again occur. Scattered storms are expected to develop across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and far western Missouri late this afternoon, then move east across the area this evening. A few strong to severe storms with hail up to quarters will be possible, with the strongest storms west of Highway 65. Localized damaging wind gusts could also occur with a few of the storms. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Additional showers and thunderstorms will again be possible late Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. A few strong to severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail the main risk. Locally heavy rainfall will also occur and could lead to a localized flooding risk, mainly across far southern Missouri Thursday evening and night. The highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be Thursday evening into the overnight hours. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, at 9 a.m. in Springfield, it was 51 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms. Scattered showers, mainly in the evening. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15.
Shut up. Yeah, it's fine. It's a moderate risk for the area that we are monitoring in Missouri, Springfield, because that's where this one's about to pop up. But actually, I don't think that there will be any significant severe weather until like Thursday. Why is it doing that? Oh, my thing is repeating. Okay, I found the reason why it was echoing. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's only like a moderate risk if you look at the thing the thumbnail. No, because if you look at the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, I think it's spc.noaa. I don't know. www.spc.noaa.gov. If you're looking for today, I put the radar and the camera from a point there because that's where the marginal risk is. But I really don't know if that's gonna be correct. It's probably just gonna be special weather statements. But the thing is, I just feel terrible because the main point. Oh wow, that's high. Sorry. The main no, because it's 30 decibels. The main point of this storm chasing the snow. The main point of me doing this is to help people. Even though I have no viewers, you never know. So I just feel terrible if I ended stream with like a very severe storm that's like damaging. I wouldn't live with myself because I just failed. So I don't know what to do. I looked at models. It's not. I don't know. I don't think it's. It's definitely not going to be a. If somebody's watching this or it'll watch it like later today, it's not going to be a. There's not going to be any tornadic activity. There's just no proof of it on the models, at least. Um, that's tomorrow and Thursday. So, yeah. I don't know, but, anyways, meanwhile, take a listen to this, no weather radio in Springfield.
Wednesday through Monday. Additional showers and thunderstorms will again be possible late Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. A few strong to severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail the main risk. Locally heavy rainfall will also occur and could lead to a localized flooding risk, mainly across far southern Missouri Thursday evening and night. The highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be Thursday evening into the overnight hours. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny, with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, at 9 a.m. in Springfield, it was 51 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms. Scattered showers, mainly in the evening. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, partly sunny. Much cooler with highs around 60. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The current time is 9:51 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL 46 Springfield, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from the KWFC FM tower located near Fordland, Missouri, on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. WXL 46 provides the people of Southwest Missouri with the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings from the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. If you have problems with reception of this broadcast, please contact the radio manufacturer or call us at 417-863-8028. If you have questions or comments concerning this broadcast, please contact the National Weather Service email at contact.sgf@noaa.gov or write to the National Weather Service, 5805 West Highway EE, Springfield, Missouri, 65802. For even more weather information from your National Weather Service, check out the following internet websites: www.weather.gov/SGF. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: limited hail risk, limited thunderstorm wind damage risk, limited lightning risk, limited non-thunderstorm wind risk, elevated fire weather risk. Discussion: gusty winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour will occur today west of Highway 65. East of Highway 65, gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour will occur at times. A drier air mass will also remain in place across the eastern Missouri Ozarks, where elevated fire weather conditions will again occur. Scattered storms are expected to develop across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and far western Missouri late this afternoon, then move east across the area this evening. A few strong to severe storms with hail up to quarters will be possible, with the strongest storms west of Highway 65. Localized damaging wind gusts could also occur with a few of the storms. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Additional showers and thunderstorms will again be possible late Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. A few strong to severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail the main risk. Locally heavy rainfall will also occur and could lead to a localized flooding risk, mainly across far southern Missouri Thursday evening and night. The highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be Thursday evening into the overnight hours. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny, with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock, and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, at 9 a.m. in Springfield, it was 51 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms. Scattered showers, mainly in the evening. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Shallows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, partly sunny. Much cooler with highs around 60. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The current time is 9:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: limited hail risk, limited thunderstorm wind damage risk, limited lightning risk, limited non-thunderstorm wind risk, elevated fire weather risk. Discussion: gusty winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour will occur today west of Highway 65. East of Highway 65, gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour will occur at times. A drier air mass will also remain in place across the eastern Missouri Ozarks, where elevated fire weather conditions will again occur. Scattered storms are expected to develop across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and far western Missouri late this afternoon, then move east across the area this evening. A few strong to severe storms with hail up to quarters will be possible, with the strongest storms west. Localized damaging wind gusts could also occur with a few of the storms. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Additional showers and thunderstorms will again be possible late Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. A few strong to severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail the main risk. Locally heavy rainfall will also occur and could lead to a localized flooding risk, mainly across far southern Missouri Thursday evening and night. The highest chance for showers and thunderstorms will be Thursday evening into the overnight hours. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. At 9 a.m. in Springfield, skies were sunny. The temperature was 51, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Around the region, at Rolla, it was sunny, with a temperature of 53. At Joplin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 57. At Tulsa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at Lake of the Ozarks, it was sunny, with a temperature of 48. At Kansas City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Little Rock, and 57 at St. Louis. Once again, sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a chance of thunderstorms. And Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The current time is 10:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected. Limited hail risk. Limited thunderstorm wind damage risk. Limited lightning risk. Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Elevated fire weather risk. Discussion. Gusty winds up to 30 to 40 miles per hour will occur today west of Highway 65. East of Highway 65, gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour will occur at times. A drier air mass will also remain in place across the eastern Missouri Ozarks, where elevated will again occur. Scattered storms are expected to develop across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and far western Missouri late this afternoon, then move east across the area this evening. Severe storms are possible, with hail being the main risk. The overall better severe potential looks to remain just northwest of the area on Wednesday. A cold front will move through the area Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. Additional storms will develop along the front, and there will be the potential for strong storms with large hail. The dew point 41 and the relative humidity 57%. The wind was south at 13 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 59. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 59 at Little Rock, and 58 at
Alright, before this thing erupts, because my thing just keeps cutting in and out, I'll get back to this, I promise, but, because it's gonna be boring for the hours I'm gone. It's gonna be a really boring stream, because all we're doing is looking at a radar, which is not gonna pop up. Stop. We're gonna look at the stuff here, because this is something that's active, it's snow, and, just weather. Now, the National Weather Service and Storm Prediction Center, my god, my freaking mouse, they did put something out for this, for just regular thunderstorms. So, you know, yeah. Cool Keel. No, I don't. So, here's the real question. Do you want to look at this storm, go over there? Or do you want to keep looking at Missouri and just wait for these not so much severe storms, but severe storms erupt? Portland, I really need you to, I really need you to radar right now. I really need you to radar right now. Dude, it has been raining, like, here all week. Some of this is snow. Anyways, before I go, because I don't really see a point in waiting hours to just for a storm to pop up. Anyways, so if you live over here in this general vicinity, you should expect snow to come down over here since there's a low front coming over here. All these storms are gonna stay and also go down south while the storms go over here. Here. Maybe just back up a little bit. If you live in, let's circle this. If you live in that area, or share this stream to someone who lives in this circle, here's your little outlook day, sort of, kind of, a bit, maybe. So these storms over here are going to head south, and some of them will head north a little bit, but mostly south. Like south, south, south. They go over here. Meanwhile, while this low pressure is kicking in over here, erupting these severe storms, and blowing about there down south, we will see some, that's the same color, we will see some snowstorms that happen right over here. Snowstorms. I'm talking snowstorms. There we go. So yeah, so snowstorms everywhere. Snowstorms. We expect the biggest snowstorms to be right over here. Now, if you're just joining, you're gonna be like, why is he scribbling everywhere? Just back up to this, refresh, not refresh, just like, go back in the stream, I'll explain why this is like this, if you're just joining. But yeah. But, yeah, but, for right now, at least, since the low pressure is balling down here, and it's just curving down, that's not what I wanted it to do. Since the low pressure is curving down, since the low pressure is curving down, at least the cold front, so this side is gonna be cold. Cold. Very cold. Since it's a bowling ball in south. And you have a mother heat, high pressure. And with this high pressure, this is going to make basically this area right here, it's going to make this area severe with storms and stuff like that. But it's also going to make, since there's a lot of moisture heading over here, and moisture making is over here, it's going to cause, when the moisture collides with this cold front and breaks through it, it's going to cause some snowstorms, more than likely in this vicinity. Also this vicinity, in this vicinity. Now we expect the heaviest snowstorms to be right along this cold front, so in Colorado. So yeah. Also, should there's people who live down south, like these areas. Share this to people who live in this circle, specifically this circle. Now, like, oh, he means like the whole state of Mississippi, so all this. No, do not send me the people. Do not send the people who live right here in this circle. Why? Because with these storms, they're gonna line up here. The storms, the supercells producing, they're right over Texas. They're just gonna line up. They're gonna line up. That's horrible. They're gonna line up. Gonna line up, and it's gonna keep going. They're pretty cool. And they're just going to get weaker, 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 and weaker. Like, the last time they'll be severe is probably right here. Last time it'll be severe. But even when they're still severe and they arrive right here with when they make a band, expect right in that blue circle. So remember, in our little blue circle, flooding. After the tornadic storms, flooding. Flood. So that's really the United States is, you know. Yeah. Now you can send me a location where you want me to monitor. Of course. Yeah. Okay, one more thing. Remember somebody asked me, but if they said like, oh, but if there's a cold front and it's like snow right here, why isn't it snow right here? Here's your thing. It's kind of like what's happening right here in the United States. This ocean, heat, sun, heat, high pressure. Get it? So what's going to bring heat? Because the cold front in Alaska and Canada is blowing down sand. So heat from the ocean. The cold front is burrowing down south. So we're gonna have, so obviously by the cold front, you're gonna have cold air. Cold. Now there's obviously heat right here as well, so you're not gonna have cold, which you make this tornadic. But then it's like, oh, so if this is cold and this is hot, and when they mix, they make tornadic severe storms. So in these mix, why aren't there said severe storms? Because of the freaking cold front. Now, that may not make sense, but this freaking cold front is packing a punch. Punch. It's packing a punch. It's bringing this down. The coldness is winning. The cold front is so strong, it's winning in the race of bringing it down. It's winning in the coldness race. But it can't always stop heat. But it will actually affect it not being severe storms, so that's why you don't have fully condensed snow. It's raining maybe, and maybe you cannot escape it when it mixes, but a few lightning bolts. But nothing severe. That's why it's not severe, and that's why it's literally stone cold right over meow. Because that cold front is going meow. I hope that made sense, and if I'm still alive, yeah, I hope that made sense. Yeah. Yeah, it's really raining. It's bringing some rain. Actually, I wasn't surprised there'd be some weather event right here. A line of rain. If this intensifies, which it won't, because of the cold front, it could have been a line of rain. It could have been a severe flooding. Yeah, it could have been a severe flooding, but because of the cold front making it snow, it's gonna become severe snowstorms. That's fun. Fireball. Alright, but I think I'm gonna end the stream because it's just gonna be boring if I go back to Kansas City and just keep streaming it. So, yeah. If severe weather does happen today, it depends on the severity and how much it is, so I don't know. Anyways, you all have a good day. I'll see you later. Peace out. Stay safe. I don't know what else to do. Alright.